I am presenting our work on investigation of the structure and activity of class 1D ribonucleotide reductase relevant to vital therapeutic interventions. Ribonucleotide reductase or RNR is the only known enzyme responsible for de novo production of all 4-deoxyribonucleotides required for DNA synthesis as indicated in figure 1. Class 1 RNRs have two subunits alpha and beta. Class 1D RNR differs from other subclasses based on its metallocofactor and allosteric mechanism. For our work, we chose actinobacillus ureae RNR as the reference class 1D RNR whose alpha subunit contains two magnesium ions in its crystallized structure, indicated in two yellow spheres in figure 3. We hypothesized that magnesium ions provide structural stability of class 1D RNR, which we tried to validate in this work. In our work, all the simulations were performed using NMD 2.14 and CHARM36M force field with 2 femtosecond time step. Only the protein was extracted from the reference PDB file 6DQX, then it was solvated, neutralized, and minimized. Equilibration and production run trajectories were obtained in NVT and NPT respectively. Each of the three replicates of the experimental system had over 0.1 million atoms, including protein, water, and ions. We analyzed the trajectories obtained from NMD using VMD. First, we calculated RMSD of the whole protein with respect to its initial conformation as presented in figure 4 for all the realizations. Minimal structural change for the runtime of 23 nanosecond, suggesting us to extend the runtime. Then we calculated RMSD values per residues as presented in figure 5. The peaks at ResID 130 and 155 reveal that the residues in the specificity sites have been altered structurally in absence of magnesium ions. The peak at ResID 425 is very close to the auxiliary domain of the RNR, the role of which is yet unknown. The RNR values of the residue have been mapped into tube conformation of the RNR alpha subunit in figure 6. In figure 7, we see the deviation of the radius of gyration of the whole protein structure remains within 2 angstrom, which means the protein remains similarly compact in absence of magnesium ions throughout the simulation. Now, to summarize, in this work, we have successfully observed structural alteration of specificity site of a urea class 1D ribonucleotide reductase in absence of magnesium ions in the system, indicating presence of magnesium ions is crucial for RNR to function properly. Global conformation remained almost the same as indicated from radius of gyration and RMSD of the whole protein. A longer computationally expensive simulation is required to observe global conformational change. Since a urea is involved in pathogenesis of sinusitis meningitis, discoveries of its RNR inhibitors are very critical for drug development. In this regard, we propose a further study to observe the allosteric and inhibition mechanism of this RNR. Thank you.